Hey guys, today I just received this phone case with an e-ink display for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's open up the box and see how it looks. So this is the Creative Ease iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Yeah, let's take a look inside the box. Here's the case itself. Comes back. Here you can access the quick start guide. And here's the case itself. Here's the e-ink display on the back. So yeah, let's go put this on the phone and see how it works. The iPhone 15 Pro Max case with an e-ink display is an amazing accessory that lets you personalize your phone case. With its advanced e-ink screen technology, it offers a fresh way for making your iPhone distinctively yours, ensuring it stands out from the rest. And when you download the free app, you can pick and choose from a variety of photos to showcase on your phone, and it only takes seconds to do. The e-ink display has 4 different colors, which lets you choose any photo to showcase, from to-do lists, memes, pet photos, and more. Transforming your case into a unique talking point. The e-ink case is also eco-friendly and energy efficient as well. And it uses NFC to wirelessly transmit data to the display with no batteries or cables needed. The case design is both durable and sleek, as it uses a hybrid of premium materials such as silicone and glass to provide a better non-slip grip and a great aesthetic. And so yeah, I definitely recommend checking out this awesome e-ink display phone case. You can check them out in the link below. See you.